All right, what's up, Bandits? Thanks for clicking. Welcome to my channel and to this video. We're here in Oregon on vacation. We're at an Airbnb, and I thought I would do a video on a shower that looks like this. And the kids want to take a bath because we're like down in and out of the beach and whatnot. And we've got a shower unit that looks like this. So the question is, how do you turn on the shower itself? And then how do you turn on the water in the case that they want to actually take a bath? So let me show you how this works.
All right, it's break time. Welcome to my channel. Click that subscribe button, like this video if it's helping you out, and share this with somebody that you know. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and check the links in the description.
Basically, instead of just one hand, you can see there's two handles here, right? Like this one and this one. Instead of one, that it does the power, turning it on and off, as well as temperature adjustment, it's basically got two. We're gonna turn this one on here, crank it this way. That'll turn the water flow all the way on. And then your temperature gauge is this one right here. Your temperature lever is here. So cold this way and then hot this way. Of course, I'm no plumber, but this is basically how the system works. Now to activate the shower head up here, there's no like place for you to pull it, right? Like there usually is. So instead it's gonna be right down here. And just pop that down like that, okay? So let's try it out. And it only kind of comes up to right there, and you can see the water clearly turns on, and it's cold. And to make it warm, we're gonna turn this one. Okay, so that's cold and hot temperature adjustment, and this is power off, I call it, but clearly it's water flow, okay? So we'll do that again. Careful with little ones, you don't want it to get too hot. Okay, and then activate the shower. The water has to be running, and you pull it down like that, and that should activate the shower. Now it does not turn off that way, so to turn it off, you have to take this lever right here, and then power it down. And the whole thing will drain out and shut off. And this is how you do it. Hopefully this has helped you out. Stay sneaky.